Hey there, YouTube. This is Dave, and in this short, we're going to be talking about some new features coming to Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat for Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. According to the summary, they're expanding Outlook reasoning over inbox, calendar, and enterprise data in agent mode for Word, Excel, PowerPoint using web data and files. The new app-specific agents is leveraging the Anthropic Claude model. They are introducing these new capabilities in Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat users, which means they don't need a Copilot license, which is kind of amazing, to help them better manage their day in Outlook and create and refine Word documents, Excel workbooks, PowerPoint presentations. These updates include Copilot Chat in Outlook, which will expand the reasoning over a single email thread to reasoning over a user's entire inbox, the calendar, meetings, and other enterprise data. So they've increased the scope tremendously. Agent mode in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint uses web data and references files to help the users create and refine content in the apps. That's going to be a game changer for those who do not have a Copilot license. And Word, Excel, and PowerPoint agents allow users to create high-quality documents, workbooks, etc., using the Copilot Chat, using web data and referenced files. All these updates are making Copilot Chat, which is the free version of Copilot, more powerful in the hands of your employees or people who are using it. And this is a really huge boon to corporations everywhere. They're targeting to release this in January of 2026, but it's going to be probably until late March of 2026 before it's done, just like every other time, because they're releasing this particular update to the entire world, to every single tenant within the world. It's going to take a while. As far as your organization is concerned, the people who are going to be affected are going to be the people who use Copilot Chat. That means anyone who does not have a Copilot license, specifically a Microsoft 365 Copilot license, they're not going to notice any difference. However, those who do not have a license will notice this change almost immediately and will be able to utilize it when it reaches your tenant. When they receive the update, Copilot Chat and Outlook will understand the entire inbox, calendar, meetings, etc. So therefore, they're going to get a much bigger bang for the buck as far as using artificial intelligence. Look forward to that. There'll be more information coming. Another thing, users will actually be able to access the agent mode in Word, Excel, PowerPoint through the Tools menu in the Copilot Chat input box. Once again, they're going to have a lot more available to them when they start using these products after the update is complete. The last bullet point basically is talking about the fact that there'll be a couple of ways to actually engage in Copilot Chat. That'll be either in the Tools menu or in typing the @ symbol. Either way is going to work for them. When this is released, no admin actions are going to be required. It's going to be already turned on. However, if you would like to manage how it's working, Copilot Chat in Outlook specifically, you can use the integrated apps in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. When it comes to agent mode in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, if you like to manage that, you're going to have to do that through the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat settings as well. And then lastly, to provide access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint agents, you must connect to Anthropic's Claude model. That being said, an alert to all IT security folks, you got to keep in mind that the compliance is going to have to be reined in pretty heavily. This is working outside of Microsoft. The Anthropic's Claude model is hosted outside of Microsoft. Therefore, all the safe features and safety features that are held within Copilot, it's not going to be here, so you're going to have to keep that information in mind. That means all Microsoft agreements don't apply in this case. So you have to be very careful when you use it. And you're going to have to kind of keep an eye on the Anthropic services specifically to see what their terms of service and data processing addendum includes. So that's one thing that you're going to have to be very careful of. And with this already turned on, you may be having some risks. So keep an eye out for it. Work with your IT security team, because this may be something that you may want to curb or at least test out before you run full tilt with everyone in your organization.